Good morning, everyone. Phil Penarski here with CBS 42 Now. Hope you're all having a great start to your day. We are just a few moments away from hearing from Birmingham City Council President William Parker, as he is joined by several healthcare professionals as well as members of several fraternities and sorority chapters here in the city of Birmingham to give a COVID-19 update. It appears that Councilman Parker has approached the podium, so we will send you there live now in front of Birmingham City Hall.
Community, but we're here to make an announcement. Several weeks ago, we started off a partnership with nursing associations with the Divine Nine, and so we were encouraging residents to receive the vaccination shots. We did a PSA, public service announcement, and so from there, our continued partnership now has evolved to a larger partnership. The goal is still to make sure we vaccinate as many residents in the city of Birmingham as we possibly can, as quickly as we can. And so that's our initiative. That's been our whole mission as we move forward. So I don't want to give the information, but I'll allow for representatives of the AKA sororities come up and make I think is a huge announcement and also a step forward as we move forward to everyone working together in order to vaccinate as many residents as quickly as possible. So, good morning, Ms. Leah.
Good morning. Good morning. I am Leah Wiggins of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, Omicron Omega Chapter.
I'm Betty Wells, President of Phi Omega Chapter of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated.
And the Birmingham chapters of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated will host a community health fair from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on October 16th, 2021 at the Kelly Ingram Park. And the purpose is to provide education and free health resources to raise awareness of this pandemic and its impact in our community. The COVID-19 vaccination rates in Alabama and Birmingham are the lowest among many areas in the country, and the African American community has been hit hard by the COVID-19 infections and deaths. There is also a disparity in other public health statistics in Alabama, including certain rates of cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. And so we believe it is imperative that we do as much as possible to educate our community and make resources available so that residents can make informed decisions about their health. Our sorority members throughout the country are committed to improving health outcomes for all people. The health fair will include exhibits as well as information of science, the science of COVID-19, and the COVID experiences from trusted voices. We'll have free COVID vaccinations and COVID testing. There will be vaccinations offered by the UAB School of Medicine, and health screenings will be available. And to add a bit of flavor to the event, we will have entertainment and breaks from faith-based musical organizations. We'll have exercise and dance breaks, and we'll have a step and stroll break featuring members of our undergraduate chapters, as well as a stroll competition from area high school sororities. And the winners will receive extra money for their organization's community service work. And we would just want to take advantage into this opportunity to engage the community and encourage young people and their parents to think seriously about their health. Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority will continue to raise community awareness of critical issues impacting African American women and their families. And our call to action is for our partners, which include President William Parker, the nursing associations of Alabama, several faith-based organizations, members of the Divine Nine, and all the chapters of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. And this is just the information about the event. And if you have questions about Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, which is an international service organization, you can go to aka1908.com. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, and thank you, President Williams, for this opportunity to speak today. My name is Yarisep Matos Ramos, spell it out, Y-A-R-I-C-E-T, last name M-A-T-O-S-R-A-M-O-S. I'm the current president of the Alabama National Association of Hispanic Nurses.
I think they can hear you better.
Ah.
Okay, alrighty.
I'm just so used to it, you know. Mi nombre es Yaricet Matos Ramos y soy el presidente de la Asociación Nacional de Enfermeras Hispanas de Alabama. According to the 2020 census, the Hispanic population in Alabama has increased 42%, making the total number 264,000. Of our population, 3.7% have initiated Of our population, 3.7% have initiated the COVID-19 vaccine series, but about half have died from COVID-19 itself. La mitad de los hispanos en Alabama han muerto de COVID-19. This and accompanying data does suggest that there is a disparity between our population initiating the COVID-19 vaccine series and the number of those who complete the series. This means many of us are starting the process, but we're not finishing it. Muchos de nosotros estamos comenzando el proceso de vacunación, pero no los estamos terminando. Remember, for the CDC, Pfizer, and Moderna vaccines require 2 doses 21 to 28 days apart, and a booster after 6 months is recommended for those who are eligible. So today, I want a commitment from the Hispanic community and everyone in Alabama to initiate and to complete the COVID-19 vaccination series with a booster if eligible. Hoy quiero un compromiso de la comunidad hispana y de todos en Alabama para iniciar y para completar la serie de vacunación COVID-19 con un refuerzo si es elegible. I'm also happy to announce that we will be partnering with President William Parker and Dr. Lindsay Harris at the Birmingham area chapters of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Community Health Fair. It will be on October 16th from 9 to 3 at Kelly Ingram Park. This is a free event where you'll receive education, free health resources, and COVID-19 vaccination. Come see us, get vaccinated, and also bring your children who are 12 years and older to be vaccinated as well. También me complace anunciar que nos asociaremos con el presidente William Parker y la doctora Lindsay Harris en la Feria de Salud Comunitaria el 16 de octubre de 9 a 3 en Kelly Ingram Park. Este es un evento gratuito donde recibirá educación, recursos de salud gratuitos y la vacuna COVID-19. Ven a vernos, vacúnate y trae a tus hijos de 12 años y adelante para que también sean vacunados. Y feliz mes de la herencia hispana. Happy Hispanic Heritage Month. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Lindsay Harris, president of the Alabama State Nurses Association. My name is spelled Lindseyharris. And I just wanted to thank our partners, first of all, President William Parker for the partnership, as well as the members of Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority for coordinating and planning this very needed event here in the city of Birmingham. As of now, according to the Alabama Department of Health and our dashboard, there's over 800,000 deaths here in the state of Alabama. And 800,000 cases of COVID-19 and 14,000 deaths here in the state of Alabama. So partnerships like this and events like this are very needed. It's an opportunity for the community to come out and learn not just about COVID and not just to get vaccinated, but also the immunizations. We do understand that here in the state, especially in Jefferson County, that our immunizations for our children are at a decreased rate as well. So we want to educate our community about that and any health issues that you may have. So please come out October the 16th and join us.
All right, thank you. I want to thank the great partnership. So if there are questions from any of our partners here, we'll take them. Okay.
Dr. Harris. Just moving into the holiday season, end of the year, just the Nursing Association recommendations for those who may be thinking about traveling or who are traveling.
So I think Yari mentioned it from the Hispanic Nurses Association. The first thing is get vaccinated. She also mentioned if you're eligible for the booster, 6 months after your second injection of the Pfizer vaccine, please get your booster if you're eligible. And you know, we knew that last year before we even had the vaccine, the recommendation was to wear a mask, wash our hands, and social distance. And that actually helped to sort of flatten the curve for COVID and the cases for COVID. So practicing safe practices of continuing to wear our masks, social distance, and maintaining good hand hygiene is going to be very important, especially going into the hospital, especially going into the holiday season.
Okay. All right. I want to thank again all of our partners. This is just an ongoing effort that we're going to be having with our healthcare partners, but also with our fraternities and sororities. And I want to thank members of Alpha, aka Alpha Kappa Alpha. So anyway, with that, I just want to thank you all. If there are any questions, you want to give that information one more time, just in case if we have other groups that want to be a part of the event on October 16th.
Yes, so the community health fair is the Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated Community Health Fair will be October 16th at Kelly Ingram Park. It actually begins at 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. on that day. And like I said, there are numerous partners who will be exhibiting and providing the health screenings. I mentioned the nursing associations, but members of the Divine Nine, the faith-based organizations. There will be several other community organizations and medical and health organizations that will be there to provide all resources. For us today is breast cancer awareness for our sorority, which is why I have on pink, but in this whole month we'll be focusing on things like that as well as COVID-19 and continuing to make sure that we're healthy and safe in our communities.
Say and spell your name.
It's Leah Wiggins, Leah Wiggins. Thank you.
One other note, this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We did send out a communique earlier. We're going to be asking all the council members, everyone, to wear pink ribbons tomorrow in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month at the City Council meeting on tomorrow. And also, just real quick, I know we've had a fire truck that's painted pink. That's within the city's fire fleet, but also at Legion Field as you go to the games this weekend. There we do have we are honoring with the pink ribbons that are in the end zone. So everyone's doing their part in order to make sure we bring the awareness necessary for everyone to please take breast cancer serious. My mother, former council president Maxine Parker, died of breast cancer, and so it's very important that we bring the awareness to everyone to please take it very, very, very serious. So with that, any other questions? I want to thank you all, and we'll look forward to seeing you on Saturday, October 16th at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Okay. All righty. Thank you all. And thank you all, the media, for coming out and being a part of this, and continue to make sure everyone please get vaccinated as quickly as you possibly can. So thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
And that was Birmingham City Council President William Parker, alongside several healthcare professionals as well as members of several fraternity and sorority chapters here in the city of Birmingham, giving a COVID-19 update and encouraging getting vaccinated, especially as we do head into the holiday season. Some of the other points that were made in this press conference. Real quick, though, I do want to direct everybody's attention to the right of your screen. That is, once again, the coronavirus dashboard, courtesy of the Alabama Department of Public Health. You can find that at any time over on our website, cbs42.com. Back to the press conference, though, some of the things that were said, of course, obviously, healthcare officials really trying to encourage getting vaccinated, especially as we approach the winter months. Flu season coming up starting now in October. One of the other things, probably the biggest point made, was that there will be a free community health fair on October 16th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. That will be held at Kelly Ingram Park. We will have more information on that over on our website, cbs42.com, which is also where you can find all of the latest information regarding the coronavirus pandemic as well as vaccinations. You can find that at any time 24/7, courtesy of cbs42.com. That's going to do it for us today on this latest edition of CBS 42 Now. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in and have a great rest of your day.